Okay, so today we are going to start with lines and angles. We see so many lines, so many angles whenever we study, but the basic concept that we miss some time to recap. So I am giving you some of the recapitulation of some small things which is very important for the geometrical chapter. So let's see, what is linear pair angles? Okay, so linear pair angle is an angle which lies adjacent on a straight line and forms 180 degree. If the two angles lie on a straight line and forms 180 degree, then they are known as linear pair angles. So here we can say as angle 1 plus angle 2 forms 180 degree, then angle 2 plus angle 3 forms 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 4 plus angle 5, angle 5 plus angle 6, angle 6 plus angle 7, angle 7 plus angle 8. Now, as we can see, I am giving you brief about this. Okay, there is a line like this, 1 and 4. Okay, so they both are forming, okay, one thing I missed, angle 1 plus angle 4 and angle 8 plus angle 5. Okay, so as this is a straight line, so this forms 180 degree, right? So angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Then next we will see, that is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are the angles which are formed at exactly vertical to each other. Means 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 4. Okay, as this is equal to this and this is equal to this, as they are opposite to the intersecting lines. If any angles intersect on the same line, then they are vertically opposite angles. So over here, angle 4 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, angle 8 is equal to angle 6. These are some vertically opposite angles which are equal to one another. Okay, then let's see adjacent angles. Angles which are just, see, in linear pair two angles forms 180 degree, but any angle which is beside any other angle, then they both are adjacent angles. Okay, so this angle and this angle would be adjacent angles. Over here 4 and 1 is adjacent, 3 and 2 is adjacent, 8 and 5, 7 and 6, they are adjacent. So these are some of the adjacent examples of adjacent angles. Okay, so these are some adjacent angles. So let's name it out. 1 and 4, 3 and 2, 5 and 8, 8 and 7, 7 and 6, 6 and 5. These are some of the adjacent. Any angles which are beside one another are adjacent angles. Okay, so this is done, this is done, this is done. Then supplementary angle. Now what does supplementary angle mean? Any angle, any two angle sum is 180 degree. If any two angles sum is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Two angles forming 180 degree are known as supplementary angles, and two angles forming 90 degree are known as complementary angle. Two angles forming 180 degree are known as supplementary angle, and two angles forming 90 degree are known as complementary angle. Okay, then intersecting lines. Any line, any straight line which crosses one another at any point, those two lines are said to be as intersecting lines. And any lines which would not intersect at all, means if they are extended but then also they won't be intersected, then they are known as parallel lines, means they would not intersect. The height or the space between the lines would never be decreased. So these type of lines are known as parallel lines. So we have done intersecting parallel lines. Now alternate interior angle. Now if two parallel lines, say as L is parallel to M, two parallel lines are intersected by any straight line that is N. Okay, then the angles such as the angles which forms Z, the angles that form Z, like any type of Z we can say, they would be, means if these both are, these two lines are parallel and this is transversal, then these two angles are equal. Okay, so any angles that form Z are known as alternate interior angle. So here 2 and 8 are equal and here 3 and 5 are equal because they are forming Z. See, this is one Z and this is one Z. So they are alternate interior angle. Okay, the alternate interior angle would be equal to each other. Okay, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Alternate interior angle will be equal to each other. Okay, then comes corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means the angle which forms C. Okay, the angle which forms C, the angles which forms F are the corresponding angles. Angles forming F are corresponding angles. They can be any angles. Means if these two are parallel lines, then 2 and 6 are corresponding, 8 and 4 are corresponding, 1 and 5 are corresponding, 3 and 7 are corresponding. Okay, because they form F. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 6 is equal to angle 2, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. So these are 4 kinds of corresponding angles present over here. Okay, then comes interior angles. Okay, then comes interior angle. Interior angle are the pair of angle which forms 180 degree. Pair of angle that forms C, that forms 180 degree. Okay, if these both lines are parallel, so these angles would form 180 degree. So here 2 and 5 and 3 and 8 are the interior angles. Okay, so angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree and angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree because they are interior angles. Okay, so these are some of the basic concepts because of which we can easily understand some meanings of hard terms. So I hope you liked this video. So please give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and comment if there are any suggestions. Subscribe the channel so that you can get latest updates of mine. Ring the bell icon to get connected with me. So thank you.